Hey viewers, today I'll be sharing with you how I make Peshawari chicken karahi. This karahi recipe has the best aroma, taste and is very simple to make. Chicken karahi is one of the simplest curries with only a few ingredients but with an amazing flavors. So let's see how we make it. In a large iron pan, add 1 kg chicken. Now adding 350 ml of oil. Now fry this chicken till it changes the color. Give this a very good mix. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons salt in it. Adding 6 chopped green chillies. Goes in 1 kg whole tomatoes. Mix it nicely. Close the lid and cook this till tomatoes become mushy. Now mash the tomatoes with spatula. Now remove skin of tomatoes, again close the lid and slow cook for 15 minutes. And now I am going to remove excess oil from the chicken. Close the lid again and cook for 5 minutes and then remove from heat and enjoy with buttered naan or ghee rice. It is simple, cooked with minimum spices and presented in its purest form. This one is quick and simple too. I encourage you to try this at home and let me know how it turned out to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.